Dear students, we will discuss here few more problems regarding density, number of particles per unit cell, edge length, etc. of a cubic lattice. So now you see here the problems and their solution. So problem number 2, here you see the problem first, that silver forms CCP lattice and X-ray studies of its crystal show that the edge length of its unit cell is 408.6 picometer. Calculate the density of silver. Here given atomic mass is equal to, that means atomic mass of silver, that is equal to 107.9 U. So here you see, first you try to understand the problem that this is a CCP lattice. So CCP lattice means here the unit cell is FCC. So when a unit cell is FCC, means face center cubic unit cell, then the number of particle per unit cell, that will be equal to 4. That means Z is equal to 4. So that we must understand. The next, that edge length of its unit cell is given 408.6 picometer. So that picometer we can convert to that of the centimeter. So that will be 408.6 into 10 to the power minus 10 centimeter. Now we have to calculate the density of silver. Atomic mass of silver is given this mass of U. That means its molar mass will be equal to 107.9 gram per mole. So this way, first we have to understand the problems. Now we will see how we will do the calculation. So since the lattice is CCP, that means here the unit cell is FCC. So number of silver atoms per unit cell, that means the value of Z, that is equal to 4. Molar mass of silver, that is equal to 107.9 gram per mole. Atomic mass is given. So edge length of unit cell, that is A, that is equal to 408.6 picometer. So if we convert it to centimeter, so that will be 408.6 into 10 to the power minus 10 centimeter. That is also a given. Now we know the formula of a density in case of a cubic unit cell, that D is equal to Zm by A cube Na. Here that Z, that is the number of atom per unit cell, per unit cubic cell, and that is here equal to 4. M, that is the molar mass of silver, so that is 107.9 gram per mole. A cube, so edge length is given 408.6 into 10 to the power minus 10 cm, so that whole cube. Na, that is the Avogadro's number, so that already we know, that is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 number of particles, that means per mole. So if you do the calculation here, then it will come out ultimately 10.5 gram per centimeter cube. So this is the density of the silver, that is we have to find out. So this way we can find out the density from the given data. Next we will see the another problem here. So you see the problems first again. The silver crystallizes in FCC lattice. So here also it is a FCC lattice, that means Z is equal to 4. If edge length of unit cell is A is equal to this mass of centimeter, it is given in centimeter, and density is given now here 10.5 gram per centimeter cube. So edge length, that is given in centimeter, density is also given gram per centimeter cube. So no conversion is required, no conversion of unit is required here. So next we have to calculate the atomic mass of the silver. That means we will calculate the capital M, that is the molar mass, and if you know the molar mass, that will be the atomic mass. So you see the calculations here. So this is the formula, already we know that rho or density D, that is equal to Zm by A cube and not or Na. So here put the value. Rho, that is given 10.5 gram per centimeter cube. I am not writing here the unit, so automatically that unit will be cancelled out and it will come out as a gram per mole, that is the molar mass. So Z is equal to 4, capital M, molar mass we have to find out, A cube. So A is equal to 4.077 into 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter is given, whole cube, and N naught, so that is 6.023 into 10 to the power minus 23 per mole. So this value you put, and if you do the calculation, then whatever the M, capital M, molar mass, that will come out as a 107.09 gram per mole. Here we are not writing the unit. If you write the unit, then automatically that will be cancelled out. What about the density, that is gram per centimeter cube? So gram will remain there, centimeter cube per centimeter cube will be cancelled out with the other unit remain here. So like that. So ultimately unit will be gram per mole. You can do that part. Therefore the atomic mass will be equal to what? So atomic mass means, that is molar mass is 107.09 gram per mole. So atomic mass will be 107.09 U. So this is the problems regarding the cubic unit cells. So like this we will get more problems. You have to do more problems, so you go through the reference. There also problems are given. Some problems you may do given in the exercise of your NCERT textbook also, or previous question paper also you can consult. So I will also provide you few more problems to do. So thank you for today. Thank you.